Subscribe our channel to get all the latest sports news updates first of all, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. The 13th edition of the Indian Premier League is just 20 days away, but the Board of Control for Cricket in India (BCCI) has not yet released the schedule of the IPL. Meanwhile, the tournament is scheduled to start on September 19th in the United Arab Emirates. The BCCI team has already gone to the UAE to look into various aspects and fix the IPL schedule. But the real reason came up for which the BCCI is facing problems in publishing the IPL schedule. It was also learned exactly how this year IPL is going to be completed. At some stage, it was known where the game would be played for a few days. All friends will know all this in today's video. Before that, if you like this video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Dubai and Abu Dhabi have been the main hurdles in releasing the IPL schedule due to the different COVID-19 protocols. These two cities have a ban on moving from one place to another. Whenever you arrive in Abu Dhabi from Dubai, you will have to go through the mandatory rapid test again. You can cross the border only if you get a negative result after this test. But if you have to go through this rule during the match, you will have to face a lot of problems. This is precisely the reason why the BCCI has not yet released the IPL schedule. According to the source, the BCCI and the Emirates Cricket Board have agreed in the UAE to resolve the issue by solving the entire tournament into two legs, so that these two cities have the least need to move from one to another. For this reason, the BCCI has decided that there will be a total of 56 group matches in IPL 2020. Of these, 21 will be in Dubai, 21 will be in Abu Dhabi, and 14th will be in Sharjah. There are currently no restrictions on travel from Dubai to Sharjah. So, the BCCI may decide that the first leg matches will be held in Dubai and Sharjah. After that, the matches of the second leg of IPL 2020 will be held in Abu Dhabi, 130 km away from Dubai. After that, the players then return to Dubai for the playoffs and final. IPL chairman Brijesh Patel and Hemang Amin are holding regular meetings with the UAE government to take a final decision on the matter within 48 hours. Mumbai Indians and Kolkata Knight Riders are currently in Abu Dhabi. If the first leg matches are to be played in Dubai, Mumbai Indians and Kolkata Knight Riders will have to relocate from Abu Dhabi to Dubai and stay there. However, first IPL chairman Brijesh Patel and Hemang Amin will sit down with the Emirates Cricket Board to try to resolve the issue of specific protocols between the two inner cities. The BCCI will request the UAE government to relax the travel ban on these two inland cities. Even then, if the issue is not resolved, the BCCI will decide to hold the IPL tournament in two legs. In that case, Mumbai Indians and Kolkata Knight Riders will have to move to Dubai. So friends, it is expected that the BCCI will release the IPL schedule by the end of this week. Also, many players are thinking about the weather there again. The current temperature there is extremely high. Even after dusk and the weather there is quite hot, there are supposed to be 10 double-header matches in this tournament. The first match will start at 2 p.m. local time. To solve this problem, the BCCI may start the afternoon match from 3:30 p.m. local time, which is our Indian time at 5 p.m. So friends, share this video to your friends and let them know too. Thanks for watching.